In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Meet the Team section on Squarespace. Start by opening your Squarespace website dashboard. From the main navigation, head into Pages so you can choose where this new section will live. If you see a page labeled Home, Copy, that's a great place to work safely without affecting your live homepage. Select that page, then click Edit to enter the visual page editor. On the canvas, hover between sections until you see the Add Section button, and click it. In the section library, choose the Team category. Squarespace provides several ready-made team layouts, so pick one that fits your brand's style. This instantly drops a complete team block onto your page, which you can customize. Next, select Edit Content on the Team section to open the Settings sidebar. In the Content tab, you'll see individual team member items. Replace the placeholder details with your real information, names, roles or titles, and any short descriptions. If your template includes a highlight or featured text area, click it to tailor a concise tagline or specialty for each person. Make sure to update every visible highlight so your section looks consistent. While you're here, upload clean, well-lit headshots. Square or portrait images with similar framing help the layout feel polished and professional. When the core details are in place, switch to the Design tab. Here you can fine-tune the layout, adjust the number of columns, spacing, and image shapes, and decide how text aligns under each photo. As you tweak the design, keep readability in mind. Shorter job titles wrap more cleanly, and balanced spacing makes the section easier to scan. It's also a good idea to glance at the mobile preview so the grid or list remains clear on smaller screens. If you want to refine a specific entry further, click directly on a team member card in the editor to open its details, then update the photo, role, or highlight text as needed. Take a moment to confirm spelling and capitalization are consistent across the section for a cohesive look. Once everything feels right, click Save to apply your changes. Your Meet the Team section is now live on the page you edited, ready to introduce your people with clarity and impact. If you built this on a draft or copied page, review it one more time, then repeat the process on your live page when you're ready. That's all it takes to create a clean, engaging team showcase in Squarespace.